They're not gonna find me.
I'm still running away from him.
Are you?
Ah!
So hi guys, if you don't know by now,
Go in the river rapids.
we're
Go in the river rapids.
we're playing hide and seek and Liam's getting chased.
River rapids. Oh, sorry. Oh, hi.
Ah! He's on me!
Charlie, I'm trying to hide as well. There's so many of them.
Ah! He's right there! He's there!
Charlie?
Uh,
Charlie, please don't get seen. I really want to find you. You okay?
Yeah. He's right there.
Are you hidden?
Ah! He's right there! He's got that big fat bald head.
Are you hiding?
Yeah. Oh no, he found me. He found me. He found me. Open the door. Sprint!
No.
Run! Ah!
Charlie, where are you?
I'm running up to slide. Whee! Water slide. Ah! 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 I'm still running. I'm running away. I'm running away. I'm running away. Liam, where are you?
Alright.
Yeah, where are you?
I'm still by the lockers. I'm hiding in the wood. Oh,
What the hell?
did I win? Are you mad?
No, I'm seeking.
Well then, I haven't even.
I'm just kidding. I'm hiding as well. Got you.
Alright. Okay, I'm by the lockers then. If you're hiding. Ben's still not talking.
Okay.
Charlie. Alright, whereabouts are you?
I'm looking in the lockers. The changing rooms.
Really? Dude, I can see you. I'm jumping up and down to try and find you.
I don't know where the showers are.
Are you a seeker?
No.
Then why did I see a red guy run past me without seeing me?
Because he was probably a different red guy.
Alright, are you, do you have a big head?
Obviously not. Haha!
So...
Obvious-
Where are you? I'm finding you now.
Stay still. I'll be able to come to you.
Dude, I'm like, oh my god, it is you! You are a seeker!
Wrecked.
I'm gonna drown till I die.
Whoa!
3, 2, 1, oh wait. Whoa!
Way.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait, I'm stuck.
Ah! No! There's a blue! There's a blue! Ah!
Do your intro.
Okay. Hello, everyone!
Oh, there you are, there you are.
Okay.
Hello.
I know how to get up to a secret
Yes,
place.
I know, his name is Captain Dank.
These doors are locked.
That counts.
That one's locked as
Yes.
well. I know how to get up on that climbing frame. Dylan, Liam, I know how to get up there.
Call me Leah. Call me Dylan.
No. Okay. You there? There's Harry
Lag,
B.
This is so real.
Okay. I ain't got much lag. Okay, we go down here. I think we go down. No, we don't go down there. Is it like a door?
Yo, this is awesome.
It is. It's a really good map. And oh no, missing textures. I think you go through here, round here, and oh, okay. So there's the climbing frame. Okay.
Nice sound. Although I can't hear anything. Oh, you said there's a ladder. Okay, I'm going up the ladder.
Oh, yes! I'm on the dinosaur. Let's go. I'm on the dinosaur.
What dinosaur are you on?
I think it's the T-Rex.
The vegetarian one. The, Brachiosaurus.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there you are.
Oh, they caught him.
They? No.
Yeah. I know what you got to do. Someone crouch. Come, Liam, come over here. Liam. No, crouch where the tail is. Crouch down there. And then what you got to do, you got to crouch jump on the person. You should be able to crouch jump on the thing where they're crouching under.
Okay, give it a go.
Everyone's trying to do it now.
Dude, they keep moving.
Oh, we'll do it when we're
No,
hiders.
I'm not. Hey, Blue!
Bang. Oh no, he was the winner. Liam, who's seeking?
You're the winner.
Are you seeking? Be honest.
Are you seeking? That's the question.
No, I'm hiding. That's the answer.
Okay, I'll tell you the truth. I'm seeking.
Okay.